Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video, and in this video we will learn about the very first program, that is Hello World. So how the Hello World program works in the Go language, we'll see that. So let's start by writing the very first line, that is package main. So what this package main means? Package means a project or a workspace. So right now we are working in a directory called hello, and we are defining it as a package main. So why always main? So there are two kinds of packages in Go. One is executable, one is reusable. Executable packages are the packages which generate a file that we can run. Reusable packages are the packages which are used as a place to put a helper function or a good place to put a reusable code. So what actually it is? So let's write this complete program and see. So what executable package means? So whenever I go and compile this using command go build hello.go, it gives me a file that is executable. So in case of Windows, you can see the extension as a .exe, and whenever you double click this, and you will be able to see the output hello world. In case of Mac, let's type /hello and it prints the hello world. If I rename this package with some other word, let's say hello, and if I delete this file hello and go and again type go build hello.go, it won't give me the executable file. So main is the keyword that defines it as a executable package and gives the executable file that we can run. So this is how we identify it as a executable function. And if we define it as some other name, it will be a reusable package. So what is import fmt means? So fmt is a standard package that comes with Go. That means it is a already defined set of rules and functions that we can use inside our program. fmt means format. So import fmt line means give my package main the complete access to the package fmt. So it is a reusable package. So println is the part of the fmt function, fmt package, and it prints the output onto the screen. So now let's come to the function main. So what is function main? So function main is the entry point of the Golang program. So it tells us that we have to start executing the program from the main function. So func is the keyword, main is the function name that we define, and we can also pass the argument inside it. So whenever we build and run it, so our code start executing from the main function. So when we compile this program and we run it, it checks where the main function is and start executing from there. So right now we have the only one line statement, that is print statement, which prints the hello world whenever we run this executable file. There is another way we can do is using go run hello.go, and it directly prints the output. There are few more commands that is available with the Go CLI. I will write down onto the screen. Go build, that we have already seen. Then we have go run, that is also we have already seen. Then we have go fmt, that is for formatting all the files in the directory. And then we have the go install, that is used to install all the external packages into the project. Go get is used for downloading packages and the raw source code of the package. Go test is used for the executing test cases that we will see in the upcoming videos. So I hope the concept of the hello world program is clear to you, how the Go function, how we define the packages, import the packages. I think this is clear. We'll meet in the next video.